Then frontal.
So you have this one.
Yeah.
What's the fourth one?
Yeah. Have you tried using your empty hand?
Please
Show it to him.
teach me.
Yeah, show it to him. Di pokol, ah. Yeah.
Now, example that comes first, you see, like that, or like that. See, you
That was the prompt.
see. See, that's it. You see, the front view. Okay. Yeah. There.
That's it.
You can use your elbow.
First time you get out in an MMA gym and you start doing stuff like this, they're looking at you kind of weird. And then you score some hits and then they're still looking at you, but with a different look.
With a name like Eric, you can't be all bad.
Right up. So Eric's going to have to leave in a little bit, so I'm just going to share with him the rest of the idea here. All of our Kali arm attacks, so the particular teaching combination that uses this back fist, cross, boom, there we go. If we look at boxing with the eye of a Kali man, we see that there's how many basic punches? We have the jab, the cross, various hooks, the overhand, the rear uppercuts, the front uppercuts. They are all four-handed thrusts. The human body, however, can generate many more angles of impact than the four-handed thrust. If we can come up with a way that includes these additional ways of hitting, maybe we have an advantage. If we understand how to hit in this manner, structurally we are twice as fast as the person who limits himself to four-handed thrusting only. They dealt with the first motion, and there's another one still coming. This takes them out of their game. They tend to want to flinch at this moment. When we have this motion, we can also then put the low thrust. We have motions that are like this, the ice pick rip, all those kinds of motions we're going to be bringing to bear. Yeah, somebody hand me a stick, please.
That's me a stick.
So, for example, here we are. So it's boom, boom, boom. Okay, well, he's hitting my foot, very nice. But if I'm going for your head, he's boom, so now, and what happened here? So boom, he goes to hit me.
Right. Oh yeah.
There it is. We're some sort of tie-up position here, like this. We can picture this. I start doing this here. See, now he's not thinking about moving that way because that's where the pain's coming from. Now, here's the foot lock.